Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your Realme Buds Air 5. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that right here at the bottom we have this connection button. Press and hold it until listed lights start flashing green and white. So firstly it entered operating mode and now it's flashing white, and then it will perform a hard reset. Here we go, we have it. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now this earbuds entered operating mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!